Today we declare war on a sinister enemy, mealybugs, these fuzzy freeloaders, sap-sucking plant vampires that reproduce faster than rabbits on espresso, and you gave them a free-for-all eating buffet on your household plants. Isolate the infected plants. This plant is now in timeout until it learns to stop hosting parties for bugs. Listen here, Fred. No visitors, no exceptions, not even for the dog. Shower time. Bring your green baby outside and use the garden hose to shower your plant like it's never showered before. Spray top and the bottom, leaves, stem joints, the nursery pot, the cover pot. Wash literally everywhere. Mealybugs are little buggers that hide in places you wouldn't even think. They are masters of disguise and experts of being gross. Bring out the holy trinity of mealybug destruction: neem oil, water, and dish soap. DIY spray mix recipe consists of 10 ml of neem oil, 10 ml of dishwashing soap, and 1 liter of water, and a dash of vengeance. Just mix, shake, and spray with no messy and no more fluffball survivors. The non-DIY solution is to use EcoPest oil insecticide like this one for multi-crop. Spray all over the plant, slay those mealybugs. Now Fred, say hello to cotton-tipped friend. He's going to save you from the mealybug survivors. It's personal now. Dip the cotton tip in 70% rubbing oil and kill those remaining bugs. Don't even leave one behind. Check the crevices because we want to eradicate them all. Now that your plant is mealybug free, keep it that way. Check weekly, repeat the process, but don't overwater the plant while you're doing it. No mealybugs, no fuzz, no freeloaders. We did it. Plant justice has been served. Smash that like button like it owns you rent, and don't forget to subscribe for more pest-busting, plant-loving chaos. Until next time, stay sassy, stay leafy, and always check underneath the leaves.